Hello everybody and welcome back to Resident Evil 1. So last time we just have a filler, so yeah, but a little bit of progress because I found the secret manhole. Secret bunker, some kind, I don't know, but hey, it's good progress for me. I do need it, and plus we will need many medicine and herbs, many herbs. Then I will not spend much on the first aid spray because that's the most rarest thing I'm going to spend. Plus I cannot go to waste like what was it I cannot go to waste like a uses combat like that, uses encounter combat. So for now, so I'm going to get a lot of herbs so I can mix them or not based on what I want. Wait, is this interactable? Wait, what? Okay, no, I guess it's not interactable. Okay, this is a bunker. There's a ladder. Will you descend it? Yes. Poop, pop, beep, boop. Okay, there's a, I think, where? Wait, where should I go? Oh, yeah. Point. Oh, yeah. No. Never do that. Don't be stupid like me. Okay. Before we cross that, we need to retreat. Okay, right. Woo-wee! I just finished streaming Dredge. So for now, I'm going to record this in 4 p.m. I know it's not witching hour or anything, but I want to record this as soon as possible because I want to finish it and I can play again some Dino Crisis. Then after this, I will play the part 2 on Dreamcast. I think it's Dreamcast, right? Dreamcast version because it's far more better. What was the best word on it? It was better than other versions. It's like a remastered or it was a re-release of it. I don't know much, but hey, I played the first trilogy on PS1. So in 2002, I think 2002, 2001. Between on that time because back in the day they still sell this in the Philippines. So it was far more cheaper than a little affordable to buy than PS2. But my console was PS2. So they advertise it on the, what was it, on gadget stores like that, where they said you can play your PS1 games like that. So first PS1 games I played like Resident Evil, any Japanese game back in the day like Final Fantasy, the re-releases of Final Fantasy, Chrono Trigger, everything on it, from Famicom to Super Famicom. That's the era that I grown up to, because my first ever console was, I think, Atari technically, but my familiarity on pixel games was the 8-bit was Famicom. I grown up to Super Mario, Contra, Battle City, what's it again, Puyan, then Twinbee, Moero Twin, all the Twinbee series that is available on Famicom. Then the Gradius series, then every Capcom, then Konami game, I have it. But now Metal Gear, I think, was kinda very uh, it has a lot of bad water lately, a lot of hot water lately, because of one thing. Oh lord, yeah, think we need to cross here port first. After when I played it back in the day, when I played this kind of game, but I was really scared of playing it, because jump scare siya, boom, stops like that. But there's a bug here, nothing useful inside. Okay, it's nice, small key, thank you. I think it looks like a plant root for sure. But for now, I'm planning to play the trilogy, the Parasite Eve series, because I finished the novel version. I like it, but too ow 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 too similar on my game. It's locked, there's no keyhole. I think it's locked. There is this control room. Where should we go now? Yeah, then when I get back on it, I still play it, but too scared. But the one it scared me back in the day was Silent Hill 2. Silent Hill 1 is kinda meh, but for me Silent Hill 2 was the one. Then the one it got worse was Rules of Rose, because of the, it's just a very dark subject that it's portraying. That's the one I will say, because too much for me. Too much for me to handle, like, the A word, everything. It's just pure insanity. Too much for me, in my taste. Mostly my games right now was kinda very nuanced, I think. Was the best thing I can describe it. But I can, I can handle some of the teams on it. Wait, where should I go now? I think I should find some. Wait, I think where I can find the, what's it again, the red book, I think, or something. But I'm sure I can cross that. I can get the... There's no keyhole, they said, so we will need to look here for the item. Red book, alright. Okay, this is for later. Okay, serum key. Control room. I forgot you. But later I will prepare what was it? Green herb and blue herb for the mid when we are going to fight the boss. We really need those. Ay ay ay. Okay, finish. Point, point. Okay. I really need to prepare so I can get, I can survive in this game. I hear Chris mode was far more harder than anything. Okay. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Please 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 let me in. Let me in. Yes. There you go. Lumabot. Oh dear, man. There's a button. Will you push it? There is a sound from the room next door. Nothing special. Alright. In the remix for sure this will be hard. But when I have a PC, so I can record a lot of content there, like play play Resident Evil remake, the remake, okay. Then the Zero. I can buy all of it. It's my stupidity to collect all of those things. Then I think what's next was Resident Evil 2, the remake of course. But I I'm going to do the, what was it? Going to do the player route again. But I will play, I need to buy some new controllers for my game. For the games I need to play, because it's kinda hard for me to adjust when playing new games. Then it's hard to choose what content I should make. That's just for me, so don't mind my brain, because you know I don't have the right mindset for it. mm, 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 to ay, you deserve that. mm, you all deserve that. Once. One bullet to the head, double tap. At least they are dead. But I'm excited to Vampire Huntress, then Parasite Mutant. What was it? The in, the game that the inspiration was Parasite Eve, if I'm correct on the title. Parasite Mutant, Vampire Huntress, Element to the Sun, of the Sun to the Sun. That's my kind of hype game for me because of my tasting games. Like, I love more old style more than the modern, because I know it kind of complexes the game as a whole in a story department. But in in the time where I was growing up, where gameplay story kind is not kind of important, that's where, in my time, where they what was it they focus on, hmm, I think, yeah, they focus on making, because in those times, they want innovation at the time, unlike today. Like, it's just dead, to be honest, on what I observe and saw. Nowadays, nothing, nothing good, especially in the AAA space. But in the Far East, in Japan, here in Japan, where they still make good games, I think. But Silent Hill F, I think, I I don't like it, to be honest. It shouldn't be Silent Hill title, because no there's no the town name Silent Hill, because it's set in only in Japan. That's my feedback on it, because, like, why it's so necessary. Like, when I talk to my friends, like, when I talk to someone, like, and they ask me, like, what kind of games should I play, uh it, like, I will ask first, wouldn't mind you don't mind any old games, like retro in the PS3, PS3 era, or Xbox 360 era? And they said, like, okay, no, I don't care, I don't mind it. Hmm, I prefer them to my games, like this game here, like the every you know every major game at the time, especially when I recommend them early, what was it, early FromSoft game. They never thought that FromSoft was a 90s company, a 90s game maker. But now, back in 80s, I think, 80s or 90s, it was, what was it, different. Okay, visual report. As I stated in the last report, there are some common features found in the cells of the plant infected by the tyrant virus. We also have found another interesting fact. Through some experiments, we found an element that destroys these plant cells rapidly in UMB number 16, one of the series of UMB chemicals that we use for that experiment. We named this UMB16 as visual. In our calculation, it will take less than 5 seconds to destroy plant 42 if we put the visual directly on the root. You need to mix some of the UMB series chemicals in a specific order to create visual, but the UNB series chemicals may generate a poisonous gas which is harmful to the human body. Extreme caution should be taken when handling these chemicals. Following are the types of UNB series chemicals and their brief characteristics. UMB2. Oh, wait. I will stop recording so I can create a screenshot for. I'm back. I just screenshot it. So when it is going to be useful, I can, use it. Now a book is missing. No problem. This. Oh. Okay. Before we advance here, that door, we need to prepare. We need to over prepared. We need to do that. I am so paranoid in dying in this game, so I cannot allow it. So if I'm going to fight the boss, all right, I will do that when it's time. Oh man, I want to buy the KZ earphones for it. I want that. Okay, we need to get the okay. We need to prepare that. Oh wait, where's the small key? Okay, small key, thank you. We need small key, mixed herbs, blue herb. Two items I need. So anti-poison, then poison. Right. I hope the coffee desk, what was the call of it again? Lamp desk. I hope the content of the drawer was shotgun shells again, so we can, kill. Because oh man, I like the fight on, what was it, the fight against the big snake. Oh man, it went well. I know, but I'm pretty damaged a lot on the fight, but I am very prepared on facing it because I can get some new equipment, everything like that. But my fight was abruptly stopped because Chris was really poisoned by the big snake. So we need to be prepared here too, because I am sure this plant is very poisonous. Okay, we need the mixed herbs again, the other mixed herb, this one. Okay, we need that. The first aid, I will not use it, so good luck to me. Good luck to you, Chris. I hope you survive this and we can destroy it. But I think we can use the I hope the ending I'm getting was different. Like I can save everyone. Barry, Jill, Rebecca. I need this. I think I can, solve it now. If not, alright. Oh, okay. Still can't. Alright then. Got it, got it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to enter my death. Ay, wait. Before we go, we need to save because I hate going back to the start again. We need to save first and then fight the boss. Alright? Okay, we need to save first. Okay. I know there are many times I need to save, but I need this. But later on the director's cut, I'm going to stream it. I'm going to play it again. I'm going to play as, this guy again. First, because I need to learn what his skills about that. We need to save first so we can be very we have the confidence to fight the boss very easily. I mean not easily, I mean in a comforting way. So okay, nice. Thank you very much for the save. Oh yeah. No. Man, I am so very nervous about so nervous in here. I'm not going to progress for now on going back to the mansion properly, but I need to go back and forth to get the what was it, the herbs. Because I want to be a little bit of a safe, I need to have a safety net to to have new herbs, and plus I can fight it I can fight it with the shotgun blast, I hope. So a little bit of conserving the ammo. All right. Oh my god. Why did you... Oh, stupid.
Chris! Rebecca, no. It's no use. The roots of it are in the basement. You can walk. Chris!
KK.
Take this file with you. Use the information in it in order to make the potion. And kill the root. Rebecca, please.
I know. Relax.
Chris, don't die.
I know. Relax. I thought I'm going to fight. I'm going to fight it directly, like Jill. I know the location. I know this location here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh lord. Alright. What was the clue? Still charge. Okay. No, no, no. No. File. Go to the file. Bjolt. Okay. Okay. Number 2 is red. Okay. Oh my god. I'm getting weird out. Wait. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Alright then. We will need to write it down. Into red, P, O03, purple, U, M, P, number 3, ay, 4, I mean, green, yellow, 6, yellow, UMB number 7, white, UMB number number 13, blue, stimulating smell, alright, visual, UMP number 16, brown. Alright then, I do need that. Thank you very much for the clue. And rate, there's na UMP number 2. Yeah, there's UMP. You need the okay, where's the container though? Here? Oh, okay. Empty container, right? UMB number 2. Yes. Okay. The bottle again. UMB number 4, green. Okay, another one. No. No. Oh my god. Okay. UMB number 4, green. Yes. Okay, okay. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. Wait. Alright. Something's written on the wall. Water, red 1, red 2, purple 3, green is 4. So, green, red and green. Will you put water in the empty bottle? Okay. Okay. The mixing seems to have failed. It disappeared. Green. Okay. Red, I think. Oh. Yellow 6. Okay. Okay. Red again. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. It dissipated. Alright. I think we need... Okay. Green. Okay. Green. We need green again. Oh. Okay. Yellow. Green. Okay, purple. Red. Okay. Alright. MP. Okay. Alright then. Oops. This will take a lot of time for me. I think we need green. I wait. Okay, wait. White and oh. Ay ay ay. Okay. Red, I think. Red. Yellow. There you go, purple. I think purple and blue. Ay, purple and red, green. Okay. We will test the two. Okay. Okay. Green and purple, I think. Oh! UMB7. White. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice guess right there. And then I hope blue. White, blue. White, and red I think was the new one. I to have the color mixture blue, if I'm correct. Okay, let's test this, and then red and okay. Oop. Oh my god. Wrong mixture. Alright, we understand the coloring mixture now. Okay. Okay. I think yellow and white was the mixture. Okay. Okay. Let's put water here. Okay, wait. So, okay, we will combine these two. Why did I do that? Okay. Okay. Okay, yellow, 6 yellow. Water, I think. Oh, right. Oh. Wah. Stupid. Green. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I forgot it again. Okay. Okay. Okay, white. Okay, now we will think green or white. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Okay, white. Then red, I think. We need to. Okay, now we will think. 13 is blue, so wait, I know. Okay, 1 plus 3. Okay, purple was 3. 7 is white. 6 is yellow. 13 is blue. Wait, yellow, white. Oh! Wait. Oh! Alright, okay, okay. Brown, so what was next? 6, so we have this yellow. 13 is blue. 16 is brown, so piece yellow. I think we need red. We need red and yellow first. Red and green, I mean. I hope if I'm correct here. Nope. Okay, it's correct. Okay, then yellow. I think green and blue, I think, if I'm correct. Okay, we need to think this through first. So before we put the brown here, I'm sure yellow and blue or not, but okay. Okay, let's read the file again about this. Yeah, but I don't need this. Okay. Oh, 13. Okay. Blue. 3. Purple. 003. Purple. Oh. No. Water and red. Purple. And alright. Finish. We have created a medicine. What was it? Vaccine? Wait, run! Oh, oh my god. Oh lord, I like this game. My brain. I didn't look any guide, ha. I just wrote what is written in the clue. Oh my god. So purple and blue plus yellow equals yellow. Brown. Alright, nice. I like the puzzle. I like that. When I was a kid, I never solved it without the internet on it. Without the strategy guide I read on magazines. But the magazines, if I'm correct, yeah, the magazines. That back in the day, when internet was very prevalent. I mean prevalent. I mean in infancy, but like the rolling out of free guides, walkthroughs. Yeah, I do print it a lot. And my mom I my mom was sometimes mad at me because of my spend spending a lot on that. My god. Okay, what happened now? I hope Chris is good now. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, what happened? Wait. Ow! Oof. Well, it's dead now. Okay, we can get the key, I think. Or it will. I knew it. 2 times. We need to fight it. When that happened, that's a sign. Alright. Ow! Oh. Okay. Okay, you're totally dead. Oh, Lord. You deserve it. Okay, another key. Yep. Oh my god. I mean. Oh. Don't worry, I will get that. I need to get back first on the key. Ayan, on the key, I mean.
Oh, I can't believe it. Are you okay?
Yeah, so much for him. We got to the root of the problem. Saved again.
Oh my god, 90s.
I just...
90s comedy.
Really, thank you.
Pure dad joke.
You'd do the same for me, wouldn't you?
I guarantee it.
Well, Chris, this is Richard's radio. We received communication from Brad at the courtyard a little while ago, but he is still flying around in the sky. He obviously couldn't hear our voices. Maybe his radio is broken.
I see. Understood. I'll keep it. We should somehow let Brad know we're here.
You got the phone radio.
At the pharmaceutical room I found a little while ago, I think I will be able to make something. Anyway, Chris, I'm glad you're safe.
My god, I love this game. Whew. Oh,
Wesker!
Chris, you're alive.
My words exactly. Where's Jill? Are we with Jill?
I'm sorry. We were attacked by a strange monster. We lost track of her while we were scouting around. I hope she's okay.
I see. Well, it's not your fault. This place is crazy. If we stay here, all of us will end up dead. What should we do, Wesker?
We have to complete this mission. Whether we escape or stay and look for Jill, we don't have many bullets left. We can't even protect ourselves. We are still in trouble.
of course.
Chris, There are a lot of locked rooms in that house. Check them out one more time. There must be a place to hide safely. I'll
I-
look around the house a little more.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Let's get going.
Don't you worry, Mr. Wesker. I know what you are planning. Oh, wow. Alright. Kill. Kill, kill. Before we get the key. Yeah. We need to sort out ourselves first. Oh, Lord. This game. I don't know. I just don't know how to feel. This game just always gives me a heart attack in playing this. Okay. Before we progress, we need to get everything first. But now we need shotgun on our side for now. Okay. Okay. Pharmaceutical they said so. She said so. Need to enter here. Oh, she's here.
This room is fully equipped with medical supplies. I can treat you, except for your major injury. Would you like me to?
Oh, yes. Heal me. Thank you.
Yes. Please do something for me, temporarily.
My milk scream. Rebecca treats screws. Oh my god, why? Ay, no words.
Most of these medicines are from Umbrella.
What's Umbrella?
Don't you know? It's a large-scale pharmaceutical company based in Raccoon City.
Oh, I see.
Thank you very much. Oh my god, why? Oh dear. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy game. Oh man. Why am I repeating my words like a broken record? I know what to do. But calm myself. I need to calm myself first. Carving of a helmet. Alright, thank you. Oh, yeah, there is that. Okay. Then I think I will play Sweet Home. Sweet Home, I think I need that. Okay, let's go. But first we need to dispose this handgun first because we don't need much of it. Plus we are going to fight not zombies anymore. Giant frogs. Giant leaping frogs. That's the new enemy we will anticipate. Okay. Okay, now if it's still dogs, if there's still dogs here, alright, we know what to do now. Okay, wait, let's check here if there's still. Okay, none. This. Oh,
This is Brad. I know you can't answer me, but somehow give me. This is Chris. Brad, can you hear me? Damn.
thank you. Okay. We need it. Oh, wait. Wait, where's the herbs here? Oh my god, dude. Where can I get those? Oh. Water running from the upper water passage. There's something in the back. Okay, nothing here. Oh. Uy! Oh no. No matter what we do, we will encounter them. Okay, nothing here. Okay, this is the beginning of the new enemy type we will encounter now. Okay, let's anticipate it. Well then, this is the start of the new. Okay, new end. New end, see? Oh no! Ow! No! You cannot do that. Oh my god, this is the worst nightmare for me. Alright, we will open this window. Okay, we will need the lighter. Wait, lighter was it? Or not? Okay, nope. 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait. I'll put some bullets in the back room. Use them in case of trouble, Wesker. Thank you, sir. Oh my god, thank you very much, sir. Indeed. I do really need this. Nope, not this. Hardening tools, nothing useful. Oh, okay. Pistol magazine. Okay, we need that. We need that. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Okay, at least we escaped the situation here. My god, my heart is killing me. I'm going to have a heart attack in this. Okay, at least we killed it here. I'm sure there's two on the doors. I'm sure of it. And there, two. There's a switch. Will you push it, please? Oh, I can only see moonlight in this forest. Yeah, for sure. Okay, nice. Okay, I am relieved that we have it. Nothing uncommon. And then this book, will you take the Doom book 1? Wait. Oh, right. You can't. Wait, let me look here. Nothing important. Oh, okay. There's a medal here. Knew it. Medal from the first Doom book. We will need that for later. Oh my god, man. I'm always on edge in this game. Okay, let's save for now and end this episode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Alright. This is the end of the episode, everyone. Thank you for watching. Deus Volt, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British Grenadiers.